Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you how I make chocolate porridge. This is an unusual one, but it is indeed a good one. The fluid I'm using is coconut milk, no water. Of course, some oats I'll be using for my thickening agent, and I am also going to be using some full cream. As you can see, my ingredients here: condensed milk, evaporated milk, and my brown sugar. These are what I'm using along with my spices. First step is to grate my chocolate. Now, when I'm finished, that's what it looks like. What I'll do next is to add my coconut milk, about 2 to 3 cups of coconut milk in my saucepan, and I am going to add this to my flame, bring this to a boil, and then I'll add my grated chocolate. If you're new to my channel, thank you for being here. If you've been here before, thanks for being back. Please subscribe, hit that like button if you like the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Now I added my chocolate to this and I'll stir. What I'll do next is to add my oats to my blender. I'll add my nutmeg to that and also my coconut milk. So I'll blend this until it's smooth, and then I'll add this to the porridge. You have to stir your porridge consistently. That's what I did. I boiled that for about 8 minutes, and then I add my sugar, my full cream, vanilla. I added cinnamon. Should have added that when I was blending the oats, but it still works. Now incorporate that together, add a little salt. I'll also add evaporated milk, and the last ingredients is some condensed milk. You don't have to use all the milk that I've used here. I'm just extra, right? That's finished. Pour this into my bowl, and as I said before, this is a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this one. I hope you can try this one too. Until next time, bye.